The Seal All DIY Cool Roof Restoration Kit will seal leaks and resurface up to 178 square feet of roofing. The premium-grade silicone permanently bonds to most roofing surfaces and stays flexible. The white color reflects heat and UV rays to keep the surface cooler. It adheres to asphalt, roofing membranes, fiberglass, and metal roofing. It can also be used to stop leaks and protect roofs on RVs, boats, mobile homes, campers, and sheds. And it's backed by a 30-year warranty. The kit comes with 2 4-inch paintbrushes, 2 7-inch roller covers with a 1/2-inch nap, a 7-inch roller frame, a plastic spreader, disposable gloves, roof shampoo, a paint can opener, a wet film thickness gauge, silicone paste sealant, cleaning wipes, 2 gallons of roof sealant, and a stirring stick.